Okay, students, welcome again to my channel, the NA.12 Education. We are going to discuss a new chapter in mathematics. The chapter is Basic Trigonometry. Okay, students, Cambridge Test and International Baccalaureate Test Preparation Series. Okay, students, go to Basic Trigonometry. Okay, so what is trigonometry? Okay, students, go to the explanation first. Trigonometry it is the study of triangles where we deal with the angles and sides of the triangle. Trigonometry covers 1. A right-angled triangle, and 2. A scalene triangle. Trigonometry helps us in finding the angles and missing sides of a triangle by the help of trigonometric ratios. Okay, students, go to trigonometry ratios. Just remember SOHCAHTOA. Look at the triangle below. BC is base and AC is height, so AB is hypotenuse and covered by angle alpha and beta. Respect to angle alpha, we'll find any information here. So AC is opposite side and BC is adjacent side. Automatically AB is hypotenuse. But respect to angle beta, BC is opposite side, AC is adjacent side, and AB is hypotenuse. Okay, students, go to the next. Trigonometric ratios, SOHCAHTOA. Look at the right angle triangle below. Sine is opposite to hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent to hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite to adjacent. Respect to angle alpha, we got any information here. Okay, AC is opposite side, BC is adjacent side, and AB is hypotenuse. So sine alpha is AC over AB, cosine alpha is BC over AB, and tangent alpha is AC over BC. That's very clear. Okay, go to the next trigonometric ratios, SOHCAHTOA. Look at the right angle triangle below. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. With respect to angle beta, BC is opposite side, AC is adjacent side, and AB is hypotenuse. So by using SOHCAHTOA formula, sine beta is BC over AB, cosine beta is AC over AB, and tangent beta is BC over AC. That's very clear. Okay, tips and trick for you. How to solve trigonometric ratios. The easy and quick trick to solve trigonometry is 1. Find the connection of the quotient or missing item and known side to angle. Listen, respect to angle. And 2, just remember SOHCAHTOA. Sine opposite over hypotenuse, cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent opposite over adjacent. Just remember that, SOHCAHTOA. Okay, students, we go to the example 1. Find sine beta, cosine beta, and tangent beta. Look at the right angle triangle below. Base is 12 and height is 5. With respect to angle beta, we get any information. BC is opposite side and AC is adjacent side. Okay. First, find AB first as hypotenuse. By using Pythagorean theorem, we'll find that AB is root of 12 square plus 5 square. So AB is 13. Very easy. So sine beta is opposite over hypotenuse equal 12 over 13. Cosine beta is 5 over 13. And tangent beta is 12 over 5. Okay, student, go to example 2. Find height in the right triangle below. Look at the triangle on your screen. Base is 20 and angle is 53 degrees. First, find the connection of the question or missing item and known side to angle. So the question is height, opposite to angle 53 degrees, and adjacent is 20. Angle adjacent to angle 53 degrees. We can take the conclusion opposite the adjacent is tangent TOA. So tangent alpha is AC over BC. Tangent 53 equal height over 20 meter. 1.327 equal height over 20. So automatically height is 26.541 meter. Okay, student, go to example 3. Look at the triangle below. Actually, there are two right angle cover, one scalene triangle. Base is 20 meter, AB is 20 meter, and CH is 12 meter as a height. Find X. The solution is, remember the trigonometric ratio is used for the right angle triangle. So you have to separate two triangles. Look at the diagram. Okay, there are two triangles. Assume AH is A and BH is 20 minus A. So trigonometric ratio, tangent 53 is 12 over A, so we got A 12.862. So BH is 20 minus A, so equals 7.138. So by using Pythagorean theorem, X is 13.96 meter. Okay, student, I think that's very clear about the basic trigonometry. Okay, hopefully every item that I already explained so very clear for you. Now your turn is to do any practice. Welcome to practice now. Okay, students, welcome again to my channel, DNA.1 Education. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometry, basic trigonometry. Okay, students, I have the questions. A right angle triangle on my whiteboard. The information is sine alpha equal 0.6. Find tangent alpha and cosine alpha. Okay, students, this question is very easy. Okay. As I informed before, that sine alpha equal SOH, sum, right? SOH, sum. Opposite over hypotenuse, right? So sine alpha equals 0.6. Okay, we can change this decimal to the fraction, becomes 6 over 10, right? So sine alpha equal opposite over hypotenuse means the representative of opposite is 6 and hypotenuse is 10. Right? So 6 is representative of opposite side and 10 is representative of hypotenuse side. So we can draw again on this whiteboard. Please give attention. This is alpha and this one is opposite, right? And this one is hypotenuse. So opposite is 6 and hypotenuse is 10, right? Okay, once again, opposite is 6 and hypotenuse is 10. So tangent alpha to opposite over adjacent, right? And then cosine alpha is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, based on this right angle triangle, we don't know base length, right? So we can find by using the Pythagoras theorem. Let's say this one is x. So x is root of 10 square minus 6 square. Why minus? Because for the base side is minus. Okay. So root of 100 minus 36. Root of 64, we got 8, right? So, back again to the question. So, tangent alpha is opposite over adjacent is 8. And then cosine alpha adjacent, so this one, 8 over hypotenuse, 10. Right? So, tangent alpha is 6 over 8 and cosine alpha is 8 over 10. Got it right? Thank you. Okay, students, we go to next question. Okay, on my whiteboard, there is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is the alpha, angle alpha. Okay, and the height is 5 and the hypotenuse is 13. The question is find angle alpha. Okay, students, this is very easy, right? Okay, based on alpha, angle alpha, so 5 is opposite. 5 is opposite to alpha. And 13 is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse to alpha. Okay. As I informed before, so what is the quick and easy method to solve the trigonometry? By finding the connection, the missing item, and the known side. Once again, find the connection to the missing item and the known side. Okay, students, 5 is opposite to alpha and 13 is hypotenuse, right? So the connection is O to height, right? O to height. O to height. Okay? So what is the connection of O to 8? So the connection O to 8 is sine. Right? So sine alpha is opposite to hypotenuse. So sine alpha equal 5 over 13, right? So based on this information, right, we can find that alpha is sine power minus 1 or inverse. Okay, of 5 over 13. So please using calculator. By using calculator, alpha is 22.621 degrees. Very easy, right? Thank you.
From John Paul School, and I will start my 7th grade this year. I've joined QPC course since January 2020 with Mr. Jasper as my course tutor. Mr. Jasper did not only teach me the proper techniques of both maths and mathematica, but he teach me how to learn independently and how to stick into a problem to find ways of solving it. The course materials were good and it's based on my school curriculum. And the mentor approaching is also good. During the pandemic of COVID-19, we studied via the internet and it's also good. And I think Mr. Jasper is very good and it's a solid course. I learned a lot. Thanks, sir.
Hai, nama saya Cassius Nathanael. Saya adalah seorang siswa kelas 6 SD Penabur Harapan Indah Bekasi. Les di Bimbel QPC sangat menyenangkan karena konsepnya fun learning. Cara mengajarnya pun asik dan tidak membosankan. Selama les di Bimbel QPC, saya menjadi lebih mudah untuk mengerjakan soal-soal matematika. Karena di sini kita akan diberikan rumus-rumus jitu yang mudah dipelajari. Oke? Salam.
Halo, salam pelajar. Nama saya Pascual Clayton. Saya siswa Kolese Kanisius angkatan 21. Saya di sini untuk memberi testimoni saya mengenai proses belajar saya di QPC selama masa karantina lockdown ini. Pertama, jelas belajarnya jadi lebih susah karena harus belajar online. Namun, saya berterima kasih mempunyai QPC untuk membimbing saya melewati perjalanan belajar online saya. Saya sama sekali belum familiar dengan proses belajar online. Saya sangat perlu bimbingan dan saya berterima kasih akan adanya QPC di situ untuk membimbing saya. Nilai saya pun akhirnya berhasil kekejar. Nilai saya yang 60 menjadi nilai 80 dan nilai saya yang 80 menjadi nilai 90. Itu adalah mata pelajaran IPA tuh. Jadi selama proses belajar online ini akhirnya kekejar juga nilai saya. Itu in part sangat besar karena bimbingan Sir Jasper dan QPC. Setiap malam kami belajar bersama untuk mempersiapkan diri untuk esok pagi belajar online. Jadi nilainya aman selama belajar online ini di QPC. Semuanya aman dan bahkan lebih meningkat kalau di kasus saya. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Salam pelajar.
on my whiteboard, you can see there is a right angle triangle. Okay, the right angle is ACD. A 90 degrees lies on point A. The information is height of this right angle triangle is 10. And then for ABD, 53 degrees. And for ACD is 30 degrees. The question is find BC. Okay, find BC. Okay, students, trigonometric ratio covers the right angle triangle. Once again, trigonometry ratio cover right angle triangle. Okay, so can you guess how many right angle triangle here? Correct, there are two. Okay, now we are going to redraw the right angle triangle. The smaller one is ABD. It's 10 and 53 degrees. And the bigger one is covered by 30 degrees. A, C, and D, 10. Okay, let's say this one is 10 meter. Okay, one 10 meter. So to find length of BC, you have to separate a big triangle to be two parts, the smaller one and the bigger one. You have to understand trigonometric ratio covers right angle triangle. So it means 90 degrees. So here is 90 degrees. Here is 90 degrees. Okay? So this information satisfy the requirements of trigonometric ratio. Once again, this information satisfies the requirement of trigonometric ratio. Clear? Okay, next. So, by using the trigonometric ratio, you're going to find AB first, right? So, what is the connection of opposite to adjacent? 10 is opposite to 53. AB is adjacent respect to 53 degrees, right? So what is the connection? Trigonometric ratio. Correct. Tangent. Okay, go. So tangent 53 equal 10 over AB. So by using the calculator, AB is 10 over tangent 53. Okay, please use your calculator. You got 7.536. 536. Okay, now go to the bigger right angle triangle. Okay, so 10 is opposite to 30 degrees and AC is adjacent to 30 degrees. So the connection of the trigonometric ratio is tangent, correct? So tangent 30 degrees equal 10 over AC, right? So AC equal 10 over tangent 30 degrees. So AC, by using the calculator, 17.321. Okay? Now we're going to answer the question. So BC BC equal AC minus AB. Right? BC equal to AC minus AB. So AC is 17.321 and AB is 7.536. So the final answer is, by using calculator, 9.785 meter. Once again, the final answer is 9.785 meter. That easy, right?